how to do crypto arbitrage Leo. Now, crypto arbitrage is a trading strategy that involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies on different exchanges to profit from price differences. Now, here's a simplified explanation, right? So, first is identify price discrepancies. Now, arbitrage traders constantly monitor prices across various exchanges for cryptocurrencies. They look for instances where the same cryptocurrency is trading at a significantly different prices on different platforms. So let's say on Binance, the value of one Bitcoin is $50,000, and whereas on Trust Wallet, the value or price of one Bitcoin is $51,000. Now, even though they're actually average, you can still see quite a significant amount of difference. So when you buy low from one platform and sell it in another platform, you'll have a certain amount of surplus. This is what crypto arbitrage is all about. If a trader finds a cryptocurrency trading at a lower price on one exchange, then buy it. Then they quickly sell that same cryptocurrency on another exchange where it's trading at a higher price before the price or the time runs out. Now, the profit actually comes from the difference. Now, just like I give you an example, imagine Bitcoin is trading at $30,000 on exchange A and $30,100 on exchange B. An arbitrage trader buys one Bitcoin on exchange for $30,000. They immediately sell that same Bitcoin on exchange B for $30,100. Their profit is $100 minus any transaction fees. So this is what crypto arbitrage Leo is all about. You just have to use multiple platforms and different type of exchanges to be able to go through with it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.